Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be unboxing P1HARMONY's second mini album, Disharmony Breakout, and I got both versions. I got both the Breakout and the Freakout versions with me. The album was released a while ago, but I didn't order it when it came out, simply because of money struggles. But now I had the money, so I ordered them, and we're going to be unboxing them. So let's start with the Breakout version first. So this is the Breakout version. So we got the front, the back, and the sides. Alright, let's open it up. So I took everything out, and this is the CD plate. It's nice. And then the Photobook. So this is the front of the Photobook, and the back, and the spine. So let's open you up. Let's see. So we start off with Kyo. Oh my god, I love these photos. Beautiful. And then the next member is Jung. At first I didn't really like his very short hair, but it suits him really well, so I've come to like it. And then we've got a little unit photo. And then the next member is Theo. And this pink hair on him is everything. It's so beautiful. I mean, look at him. Flawless. And then we got Jungsup. And their unit photo. Oh. And then we got Inzak. Oh my god, this photo of him. Dang. Oh, and this one too. Honestly, all 6 of them are so precious. Like, oh my god, it's so... I really love his long hair. It's so beautiful on him. I mean, look at it. The cutest. And their unit photo. And a group photo to finish off. So that was the photo book. So let's first look at the poster. So if I'm right, they do member posters. So let's see who I pulled. What is it? I pulled Kyo. Look at that. Beautiful. I won't be storing these posters or putting them up because I don't really like hanging up posters, but it's really nice to have him, so that's great. And then we get this little thingy, which is like a tag kind of thing with their logo and their name on it. And then we've got this standee, so let's see who we got. Oh, we got Kyo. Oh my god. Okay, maybe I should say what my biases are. So yeah, Kyo is one of my 3 biases. The other 2 are Jiyoung and Taeho, and of which Jiyoung is like my first bias, and Taeho my second bias, and Kyo is my third. But I love all 6 members so much, so it was really hard for me to pick a bias. So yeah, there's that. And let's move on to the photo card. I already saw the name of the members, so we got a Taeho photo card. And this one is so beautiful. Oh my god. Ooh. Look at him. Oh my god. So cute. Okay, so that was it for the breakout version. Now let's move on to the freakout version. Okay, so this is the freakout version, and this is the front, the back, and the sides. Ooh. Okay, let's open this one up as well. Okay, so the CD plate for this version is black. There we go. Okay, so this is the front of the photo book, the back, and the spine. So let's see. So we start off with Kyo again, and I think it's probably going to be the same order of members. But again, these photos, oh my god. Oh no, they switch it up. Great, that's nice. I really like it when they do that. Beautiful. Oh my god. So nice. Oh my god, this picture. Everything. Oh, an intag. Okay, so yeah, my favorite B-side on the album is actually this one. I can properly pronounce it. Ayaya, I think it is pronounced as. But yeah, this is my favorite B-side of the album. I really love Scared as a title track. It's so good. But still, Siren remains superior in my opinion. But that's fine. And we move on to June. So beautiful. Oh my god. Oh, and Jungsup. I love this hair color on him. So good. Beautiful. Oh, and If You Call Me is also really good. Basically every song on this album. Oh, and then we end with the group shots. And that was it for this photo book. Now let's see who our poster is. So we got Jungsup. So let's look at that. Very cute. Love that. Okay, and we got another one of these tag thingies. And this time our standee is, it's intact. Oh my god, nice. Oh, I love that. Cute. Okay, and next up the photo card, and it is, oh, it's cute. Oh my god, so beautiful. Oh my god, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so I pulled 2 of my biases, which is great. So happy with that. Oh my god, so cute. Look at him. Okay, yes. Okay, you guys, that was it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and maybe I'll see you in the next one. Bye.